In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate old emails to Google Workspace in 2025. This process can feel a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, we'll walk through it step by step to ensure a smooth transition. Let's dive right in. To start, head over to Google Workspace. Once you're there, look towards the top of the page and click on the admin console. This will take you to a new screen where you'll need to log in, enter your business email address, click next, and follow the prompts to complete the sign-in process. It's essential to use your business email here to ensure that you have the necessary permissions to proceed. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the Google Apps menu, often represented by a grid of dots. Clicking on it reveals a range of options from which you should select the admin icon. Choosing this will navigate you to the admin dashboard where you can manage various settings for your Google Workspace account. With the admin dashboard in front of you, it's time to focus on migrating your emails. Look for the data section, either on the left hand side of the screen or via a direct link available in your admin settings. Clicking on data, you'll then choose data import and export. This option is crucial as it lets you move data between different email accounts securely. Next, click on data migration. Here, you're setting up the parameters to transfer emails from an older account into your Google Workspace. This stage involves ensuring that you choose the right settings for a successful migration. After setting up the data migration, it's time to pinpoint the email service you're transferring from. For our purposes, you'll want to select Gmail. When you see the Migrate button, click it to initiate the operation. The next step involves entering the source email address. This is the email account from which you'd like to migrate messages. Type this information carefully, then click Request Authorization. This action will allow Google Workspace to access the email data from the old account. Once authorization is granted, specify the target user in your Google Workspace who will receive these emails. This target user is typically your new or existing business account within Google Workspace. Before starting the migration, you'll need to configure a few settings. These settings may include selections about which types of data to include in the migration, such as emails, calendar events, and contacts. Once you're satisfied with your choices, it's time to take the final step. Hit Start Migration and you're on your way. The process may take some time depending on the volume of data being transferred, but you can rest easy knowing that you've set everything in motion correctly. And that's it, you've successfully initiated the migration of your old emails to Google Workspace. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Until next time, happy emailing.